So the gorgeous Rory, just started year 1 in Australia, is being taught at school with one of the most popular synthetic phonics programs in the UK. So he's trying to do the right thing by decoding through the word. Unfortunately, because of the program being used, he thinks the ER must represent the speech sound and the AR must represent the R. And in this word, they don't. Rory joined me for the I Can Read Without You preschool project. So before school, I identified his phonemic awareness deficits, his issues blending, segmenting, manipulating phonemes, and that's what we worked on. He learnt all of the speech sound pictographs. These speech sound pictographs are fun characters that represent an English sound unit. They represent phonemes. They're alternatives to phonetic symbols. So the characters map with the sound unit. So using the phonics skills he was taught last year with the synthetic phonics program, he tried to work out the word, but now he's going to see the word code mapped to show the word segmented into the graphemes. But the speech sound pictographs, and this is key, show him the sound value for the graphemes. So now he's going to be able to actually work out the word easily.
Caterpillar.
He was still faced with having to unpair that ER from the sound and the AR from the R sound, so that the pairing, the mapping, the phoneme to grapheme mapping of the ER and the AR were with the schwa, caterpillar. But he found he was able to get to the word, and look how much happier he is. And that's what it's all about. Half the time, happier kids.